Hello everyone, I'm Andre McLennan and today I bring you Bitcoin. I will be sharing 3 simple things about this crypto, some market information, how to find and some relevant news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. So guys, Bitcoin is at $61,362. If you look at my previous Bitcoin price predictions, I've been talking about this thing is on a bull run, and how some of these dip points that I've been talking about buying has been very profitable currently right now. But let's look at some of the other market information. 61,000 market cap. It is a huge amount. Oh my gosh, look at that. Millions, billions, 1.1 trillion. Woo. Here's all the markets if you're trying to get exposure to Bitcoin. You got Binance, Hugo. This is pretty much on everything. So if you're looking at getting part of Bitcoin, there's a lot of platforms to get a part of. If you're looking at getting part of Coinbase, I have the link below. Also, if you want to help me out, get this my affiliate link. Just click that below and start an account there. Bitcoin's and everything. But here's 2 really cool articles I think that might help you guys out when it comes to Bitcoin. So, institutional managers bought $2 billion worth of Bitcoin in October. So that's a lot of Bitcoin being bought up. It's absolutely a lot. Crypto investments produce inflows totaling $288 million worth for the week ending in October 31st. Wow. Very good article, guys. If you want to check out more about this, please, I have the link posted below. Also, MicroStrategy CEO and Bitcoin is going, that's what they said, they're going up forever. I don't know if that's how it's possible, but we'll see. But they talk about them entering more into Bitcoin. They're in more involvement. So if you guys want to find out more information, here you guys can read it. But let's get to that price prediction. So guys, if you saw my earlier videos, I talked about buying through this entire part over here, but now we're all the way up here in the 61,000. So the first part I'm going to talk about is how to hodl it. If I'm not giving you guys advice, I'm just telling you what I would do. So for me, guys, if I'm going to hodl at this current price, one, start off with not jumping in with risk money. Don't use my rent money. I'm not going to be using my like my emergency account, side cash, extra cash, and I don't mind if it loses, if I lose, something like that. So if I'm going to enter here, at this pullback right here, so if you see this trend right here, see here, you can see that up here, right? It extends up here, it retraces, extends up here, it's retracing. That means a lot more people are buying because this wick right here. So here's our current price. So for me, since I'm hodling and I expect it to go higher, that's all I'm going to be doing, buying every single major dip. And so far for Bitcoin, it has been working out so far. Now that doesn't mean it's going to work forever, but currently it's doing that. Risk-free money. But now let's get to the other part. We're going to talk about trading it. I think it's a little bit more relevant. So if you do trade Bitcoin like I do, I trade Bitcoin way more than I hodl it. So for me, guys, off this position right here, I'm definitely, if I'm since I'm entering right here, this would be a market entry. And how I'm going to do this is I'm not going to be having a target profit on this first entry. So my first order right here, this would be just a buy market. Buy market in, I have my account. So this is basically just to make it easier if you're trading on MetaTrader, just do like, for me, I'll be doing a 0.01 lot, right? For example, 0.01 lot, have a large stop because Bitcoin is very volatile and I really want to run that trend, right? So if it goes from here and it's head straight up, all I'm going to do if it hits like the 70,000, right? Which would be my first price prediction, would be the 70,000 mark, new level, about right there. So if it hits 70,000 mark, all I'm going to do is grab my stop loss. All right, let's just do a horizontal line. And just say, if it's here, I'm going to move it up to above this high right here, and boom. I'm going to hold this position, maintaining, keep my profits. And that's the purpose of trading, maintaining profits. So if the market goes up and this keeps on going, then I'm right. Woohoo. But if I'm right temporarily, goes up to this point here, and it comes back down, hits my stop loss, I take profits. So if I am wrong, which is fine, and it goes down lower, and I'm trading it because I'm currently entered in on a 0.01 lot size, and goes down to this low again, this is where I would put a buy limit down here. And once again, 0.01 lot. So since the lot size is so small, I can have multiple entries and not worrying about my account getting burned. And I will do that same tactic I've shown in other videos. My price target is 70,000, which is about 5,000, about almost $9,000 up. I will do that right here, lock going up here, and make sure I have my stop loss for this one up here. What's all on right here, right above down here. I want to lock in my trade once the price has moved up. Just say, since this price right here is sitting at, let's see, 60,000. If it's a 64,000, lock in that trade, lock in both trades. So now I'm walking with having two profitable trades. So if it comes back and knocks me out of trades, it's not going to get me mad because I have two trades and I have profit on both. I'm going to lock those trades in and let it run. So if Bitcoin does hit that 100K or $1 million or to the moon, whatever it goes to, I can just let these trades run and have that. So if it keeps on running, have it keep on increasing my stop so I maintain more profits as it goes. So my price prediction is $70,000 for this. I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, because I'm not giving you guys advice, to tell you what I'm doing. Hope you guys give you some assurance in some way. All right. But guys, check out my website, AndreJMcClellan.com. I have some cryptocurrency news. So if you're looking for some of the news that I've listed before, you guys can look on that. Check out some of the indicators I have. If you guys are trading on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, I have some of the indicators that I back tested if you guys want to see which ones. Also, I have some stock information, MetaTrader 4 terminal if you want to trade it on the web without downloading it, and also some gold silver statistics. So guys, price prediction 70,000. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, and have a nice day.